Hello, everybody. If your YouTube videos are not playing offline or you're facing the unable to download error, in this video, we'll show you simple fixes to get your offline videos working again. So let's just get started. So for the offline videos, YouTube sometimes needs an initial internet check. So ensure that your phone is connected to a proper internet connection or mobile data when you're downloading videos. And once you do so, when you go to the YouTube, and go to the downloading section. So go to your profile for that, and you should be able to find download option. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on this download option right here, you can look out for the download option and go ahead and download the video with a stable connection again. Once the video is downloaded, you should be able to play the video offline once again. Apart from that, sometimes outdated application can cause such kind of download errors. So for that, you can open up the Google Play Store app on your Android device and you can search for the YouTube app. And once you search for YouTube, you can look out for the update. Right beside the update, you can find the update option. Tap on update if there is any kind of update available. And that's it. And sometimes YouTube videos do not download even if your device storage is full. So you can just go ahead and clear unnecessary applications from your device, hold the applications that you do not need and tap on install and confirm it up. Also clear up photos and videos, etc. and free up space if your device is almost full. You can even clear cache of YouTube. So go to YouTube application, hold it up, go to the info section at the top, and once you tap on it, you can go over to the storage section, scroll down, find storage and tap on it. And once you tap on storage, tap on clear cache, and then you can restart the app and try downloading again. And that's it. Sometimes videos cannot be downloaded due to its own copyright restrictions. So you can only download the videos that have the download icon. And that's it. By following up these steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube videos not downloading or working offline and enjoy your watching videos anytime or anywhere. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.